Here we are, fixing to come into the New Mexico border. We've been driving 75 miles per hour. And we've got about an hour and a half. There's New Mexico.
Welcome to New Mexico.
Oh. Google knows. We just reached the New Mexico line coming from Amarillo, and we're on our way to Sand Hollow today. So we're gonna have an endurance test. We got about 12-13 hours of driving today, and everything looks good so far. Everything's still strapped down tight. No wobbly trailers, no hot bearings. So we're just looking forward to a good day trip. It's a little windy. My diesel's getting about 12 miles per gallon with the side wind we got going on, and they're getting closer to about 10, I think. So, but we'll see what that's good. But also that's 75 mile an hour all the way here, so did pretty good. We'll see you on the next state line.
Welcome to Arizona.
All right, here we are. We're just crossed into Arizona. Been on the road 6 to 7 hours, and we've gone over about 450 miles. My truck went up to 14.5 miles per gallon pulling. We had a little better wind after Albuquerque. Yeah, everything's going good. Everything looks great. All the tie-down straps, all the welds. The new trailers are looking really solid. The trailer 1.0, it looks good too, but like you can just kind of see going down the road that like that heavier frame just, it gives it a really solid look. So I'm really happy with it, and we're just ready to get through the rest of this trip. We'll see how it goes.
Pulling the Razor to Sand Hollow, Utah. We have Rob, and this is how easy it is to pull that trailer. Pretty awesome.
across the Utah line. It's about 10 o'clock at night, a little after, and we thought that we were going to be arriving around 8:30 tonight, but turns out when all the bathrooms in Arizona are closed, things get a little creative, and you gotta let kids out to go to the bathroom in creative ways. But we made it. Had a couple of bumps along the road, but we got about an hour left, and we'll be pulling into Hurricane, Utah. Somewhere around about an hour. Navigation. Anyway, getting tired. It's been a long day. 2.0's been doing really good. No complaints there. Everything I think is even better than expected. So we'll see. Maybe give you a little update when we pull into town. But thanks for watching. Well, we're continuing the trip, but we'll see you in the next clip. Here we are, pulling in the Hurricane, Utah. Hurricane, however the locals say it. And we're going to be trying to find our place over at the Sand Hollow Resort. And we're ready for bed. Still no problems. But we'll see y'all in the morning. We just wrapped up our Sand Hollow trip. We are on our way home. It was better than expected. It was top-notch vacation. But anyway, trailers are going good this morning. Got loaded up early. We got 12 hours ahead of us to get back through on this drive. But very impressed with Utah. It left fond memories. The people were good, the experiences were good, the views, the scenery. If you can visit southwestern Utah, there's just so much to do everywhere. But we'll keep you updated throughout the trip, how things are going, and we'll see you down the road. Well, we made it back from our trip. That was a lot of miles to pack in, but it was totally worth it. The trip to Utah was awesome, and our 2.0 trailers, they passed the test. They endured over 1,900 miles of traveling and held up great. What you may be wondering is why we're missing a little footage. Well, 1.0 maybe didn't do so great, and you're gonna have to see the next video coming up to see exactly what happened. So make sure you don't miss that. Go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
Okay, look. It's like a 6 foot, 7 foot.
That's like close to 10 feet there, bud.
12 feet. You're still wrong. This is 30 foot.
No, this isn't a 75-mile-an-hour highway.
Alright, we'll stop at the next 75.
Get out and lay down.
Down on 40. Hold on.